Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived two individuals named Koji and Mei. Koji was an elderly monk with a serene countenance, while Mei was a young and vibrant woman known for her compassion. Despite their age and background differences, they shared a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings. One sunny morning, as Koji was strolling through the village, he noticed Mei sitting under a blossoming cherry tree. She appeared lost in thought, her eyes fixed on the distant mountains. Koji approached her, sensing that something troubled her heart. "Greetings, Mei," Koji said, his voice gentle as a breeze. "What weighs heavily on your mind today?" Startled by his presence, Mei looked up and offered a warm smile. Koji, I've been contemplating the unity of all beings. How everything and everyone in this world is interconnected. But sometimes, it feels like a distant dream, far from our grasp." Koji nodded knowingly, his eyes filled with wisdom. "Indeed, Mei, the understanding of our interconnectedness can be challenging to embrace fully. Allow me to share a Zen story that may shed light on this matter." Mei's eyes sparkled with anticipation as she settled herself on a nearby rock, ready to listen. Once, there was a master painter renowned for his skill in capturing the essence of life on his canvases. People would flock from far and wide to witness his artistry. One day, a young disciple approached the master, seeking guidance on his spiritual path. The master greeted the young disciple and noticed his eyes filled with a fervent desire to understand the interconnectedness of all beings. The master smiled and beckoned the disciple to a nearby garden. They sat beside a lotus pond, observing the gentle ripples caused by the fish swimming beneath the surface. The master then asked the disciple, "What do you see in this pond?" The disciple pondered for a moment before answering, "I see fish swimming." The master nodded approvingly and asked again, "But what else do you see?" The disciple looked puzzled. "Master, all I see are the fish." The master's eyes twinkled with wisdom as he pointed at the lotus flowers floating gracefully on the water's surface. "Look again, my dear disciple. Look beyond the fish." As the disciple's gaze widened, he noticed the delicate reflections of the lotus flowers mirrored in the water. In that moment, he realized the profound truth the master was teaching. The fish, the lotus flowers, and the reflections, they were all interconnected, weaving an intricate tapestry of existence. The disciple looked at the master, awestruck. "Master, it is as if the fish, the lotus flowers, and their reflections are part of the same whole, dancing in harmony." The master smiled warmly. "Indeed, my young disciple. Just as the fish, the lotus flowers, and their reflections are interconnected, so are we. We are all part of this grand tapestry of life, woven together by the threads of unity and compassion." With these words, the master and the disciple sat in silent contemplation, their hearts resonating with the profound truth they had witnessed. As Koji concluded his story, a serene stillness enveloped the cherry tree. Mei sat there, her heart deeply touched by the tale's wisdom. "Thank you, Koji," she whispered, her voice filled with gratitude. "Your story has reminded me of the unity that binds us all. Let us embrace this interconnectedness with compassion and spread its light throughout the world." Koji smiled, his eyes twinkling like stars. "Indeed, Mei, let us embrace the unity of all beings and become beacons of compassion for others." And so, beneath the blossoming cherry tree, Mei and Koji shared a profound embrace, symbolizing their understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings. Their unity radiated outward, inspiring others in the village to embrace compassion and foster a sense of interconnectedness, thus weaving a tapestry of harmony and love for generations to come.